Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. We're here to celebrate 20 years of very special something in the shop. And Hoovie's with me.
I'm definitely not 20.
You're not 20?
I wish.
None of my kids are 20.
I'm aging terribly, actually.
You're aging terribly.
So what's this for?
Well, you'll find out here in a minute.
Yeah?
First, let's get the party started.
Okay. That's a little excessive. You know, I love butane. It was great with chocolate. You just melted a candle.
It sure did, didn't it?
Oh, those are the trick ones.
They're the sparkler candles.
Okay.
So, anyways,
So who's going to blow it out?
I guess you can.
I blow out a kid, 20-year-olds. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, those. I knew they were trick candles. Wizard. I hate trick candles. You're going to burn down your shop.
There we go. So let's move over to the 20-year-old item in the shop.
Yeah.
So here we have a 99 Ferrari 360. This is who's 20 years old. I don't know exactly about today, but it is a 20-year-old car. We're getting ready to go over some issues that we're going to be looking at on it. We're going to raise it up on the lift, and Hoovie's going to look at it with me and check it out.
A 360?
A 360.
Oh,
We haven't even sung happy birthday yet.
this is pretty.
Okay.
It's giving me a little tingly in my dingly. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, you want some?
No, I don't think I want some.
It's blue on blue. And is it a manual?
It is.
It's a manual.
Okay. Well, this thing only has like 21,000 miles on it.
I love
Here,
weird colored Ferraris. Oh, thank you. I was just going to lick it.
there's chocolate all over the floor. I hope I don't step in it.
Yeah, I hear these are a touch more reliable than my previous Ferrari.
Yeah.
That met a very sad end.
The major service can be done by just taking the seats out and right behind a panel back there, and
So you can do it from the interior. Yeah, the
Yeah.
major. You don't have to drop
you don't
the
have to
engine
drop
out.
the motor.
That's amazing. It's a coupe. It's very pretty.
Oh, it's beautiful. Well, I'm going to lift it up and show you some of the things that he's concerned about.
I'm going to eat some more cake.
Okay, you do that. Look how clean it is.
I know. I don't even need to lick frosting. I could lick the underside of this because it's so clean. It really is.
Oh.
It is clean.
You don't know if he hit a dead animal or something.
No, it's spotless. Really. Here, you want to lick some frosting off there? Look. Oh, yeah.
Goodness.
Your customer's not going to like that when he sees it.
No, but that's all right.
What's it here for?
Well, one of the things it's here for is these tie rod ends, or the boots are torn and they need new tie rod ends.
Yeah.
And on the other side, it's got a little bit of a leakage coming out there.
Oh, in the steering rack?
Yeah, it's actually not very bad. We're going to replace both tie rods while it's here.
Look at these pretty Michelin tires. They look new.
They are. I think they are brand new.
Oh, my.
I've got this panel off. You can see the radiator pipes.
Yeah.
Let me move my light down here now. It just had a major with new variators and all kinds of stuff done.
And the engine does not have to come out.
No, it doesn't.
That's great.
Compressor's leaking oil.
Oh.
Ugh.
What does that taste like?
I don't think I want to find out. Let's try. Just for the heck of it.
I'm not trying it.
It's kind of bitter.
Oh.
Anyways.
Want some cake to drown it out? Here. There you go. Here.
Okay, let's continue on.
I'll get more cake.
Might need a napkin.
I'll get you. There you go. There you go. Buddy.
Thank you.
There you go. Hell yeah. Only your beard. Okay.
See the oil right here?
Yes, I do.
It's coming all the way up.
Oh,
These oil lines that go to the oil cooler are leaking.
I see. So they're going to a place where they can get air, which is back here in one of those vents coming off the...
It's straight back that way.
Mmm,
Those are going to have to be replaced.
I see.
So, and you can see little drips of oil all over the place, and that's coming from that.
Yes.
I didn't really find a whole lot else wrong with it. It needs an AC compressor, it needs those oil lines replaced, tie rod ends up front, and there's a few other little tidbits he wants done, like boots on connectors and things like that. But
I see. Well, if you need a test driver when it's all done, I'm your Huckleberry.
okay,
Oh.
I'll keep that in mind.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go back here, and we'll open the bonnet.
Oh, beautiful.
I got chocolate all over me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
One
You
of the-
got the cake.
One of the other issues he complains about is this muffler tips hangs lower than those.
Mm.
And when I showed him that,
Doesn't always one hang lower than the other? I thought that's normal with everybody. Am I just weird?
he wants it even.
I see. Well, nature sometimes. Wait, we're going to talk about the car.
Yeah, the car.
Ah, yes, okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
I can adjust that and fix that for him. But you can see little boots in here that are torn.
I see it. And that's the most beautiful stamping of "Don't touch, this is hot."
It's giving you the middle finger.
I know. I've never seen one that elaborate. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Hmm.
These evap lines to the charcoal canister are oil coated, and they run all the way behind this panel and go up front. We're replacing those as well.
I can see Ferrari learned from their mistakes on the 355 with the, is this power steering?
This is a coolant reservoir.
Oh, it's coolant reservoir? Well,
Power
yeah.
steering's right there.
Oh, well, yeah, the coolant reservoir on the 355 was hanging on the, right in the V of the engine, so when that would bust, it would,
Just,
ugh. Yeah.
yep.
Well, the car's a little longer, it seems, huh?
Yeah, I think it is, and it's a little wider.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this bracing here, that's really very fancy.
Mm-hmm. So we're not doing anything huge to it this time around, but we're just taking care of some issues, and this summer he'll be able to just drive it and enjoy it, and it's all sorted.
I'm very jelly.
It's a very cool car.
I am super jelly of this car.
I told him it needed Capristo, and he said, hell no, it's going to stay stock.
Yeah, I mean, this car is just so nice that yeah, you probably wouldn't touch it, but
Yeah.
hubba hubba.
Hubba hubba is
Thank
right.
you for showing this to me. It's
Yeah, no
beautiful.
problem.
I'm going to have sweet dreams about Ferraris.
Sweet dreams.
Yes.
And chocolate cake.
And chocolate cake, yes. Happy birthday.
20
Yeah.
years old.
Wow, it doesn't look it. this design, I mean, it's aging well as far as the design. You know, all cars are kind of bloppy. When it first
Yeah.
came out, I wasn't too excited about the styling, but now I like it. I mean, it's not my favorite Ferrari design, but,
It's not a McLaren.
well, it doesn't break all the time. So,
Yeah, that's true.
yeah.
So this one doesn't need, like I said, it doesn't need a whole lot, but it's here, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's a really cool car, and let you see some of the things I'm dealing with, what needs to be replaced, and I thought I'd let Hoovie tag along while he's here.
Sure.
A whole cake?
Yeah.
Look, it's got beard prints on it.
Nice.
A beard printed cake. Anyways, thanks for watching.